Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me these two files. They drew this, which is pretty nice. But then they took a circle and did this. And I'm actually going to use blue. I've created the one to the left, and that's what he wants. But then when he left clicks, right click, he's got stubby, and he wants them pointed like that. So the best way for me to do this would be to take this one. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center page, which really doesn't matter. But I need to rotate it. So this is on a flat side. So I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees. And you see I've got a flat side here. Now I can take, with the shape tool, take these two nodes and add a node. It actually added the node right there, but that doesn't matter. I'm going to select both these. I'm going to right click. I'm going to turn them into a line. Well, that didn't work. I'm going to right click and turn this into a line. And then right click and turn this into a line. It didn't change that, the arc. So now start moving this, hold down the control button, and you can make your diamond. See, you can get off, but it's like a 15-degree increment. You can make your diamond shape or your point as long as you want it to. Now, there's really, well, you could, but you'd have to add nodes to each one of them and nudge them the correct amount. Let's just do that. But I'll show you an easier way, or at least I think. Let's set our nudge factor. Let's see how big this thing is. It's 15 inches. Let's set our nudge factor on like 6 inches. And then I'm going to take the shape tool, and I've added that node, and I'm going to nudge it down 15 inches or 8 inches. Well, that's way too much. Let's do the nudge factor of 3. Shape tool, grab that node. We've already got everything ready. Now you'd have to do that all 3 times or all 4 more times. You'd have to add nodes, turn them into a line. But the easier way to do it I'm going to check to make sure. I'm going to convert it to an object. That makes a big difference. Now you can barely see it, but if I right click my mouse, it brings it back. Now, because it's a symmetrical item, I can Control D and rotate it 90 degrees and then Control D, Control D. So now I've got sharp point. Now I could go in there. There's 2 ways to do it. I could go delete this line, but it could cause problems like that. And you see, as you see, so the best way to do it, now let's set or the best way I know how, 15 inches, let's set our nudge factor on 16. Let's take a rectangle, put it around the box, fill the rectangle in with blue and nudge it out of the way, fill the inside with blue and nudge it out of the way, and then let's use black to fill in this spot. And voila, you have that shape, whatever he's trying to do, with pointed corners or pointed, I'm really proud of him for making it like this. That looks like the rounded off, well, just take a square, just show you that real quick. And with the shape tool, hold down the control button. I bet you $10. This is what he did. And then rotate this guy negative 22.5. Well, 45, I guess. So a negative 45. And then he just rotated around. That would be my guess. But to solve his problem, or at least I hope I did, this would work. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.